Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20p and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And for simply checking for the updates, you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. It's totally up to you. However, if you will decide to download the update, if it is available, then I highly recommend to switch to the Wi-Fi because the files connected with the update are quite large, and thanks to switching to Wi-Fi, you can avoid some charges. Alright, so we've got the internet connection, so now we can enter the settings. Right here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system, and here let's tap on system update. And now we have to choose online update. That's why we need the internet connection, so let's tap on it. And here your device will check for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download. Of course, you can tap on check for update if you're not sure, and if you don't really believe your device, you can do it. And the second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install somewhere here and apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.